Here is my hose nozzle. This I had purchased at, I think Ocean State Job Lot. Came in like a 3-pack. It's made countless appearances in my videos, and it still works. There's nothing wrong with it except for the fact that it leaks, and it leaks out of here even when it's shut all the way off. So I think I got the whole pack for like $5, and like I said, it was a 3-pack. Not of these. It had this and like 2 other plastic nozzles, but this one's metal. I don't have, there's nothing special about this. It's just one of these nozzles that go like that. It's not great. It works. And, you know, it leaks, so I figured, you know, I should maybe think about replacing it this year. But I thought instead we'd take it apart. That unscrews, and it reveals 2 O-rings. Now, this isn't going to go well, and I know that, but I'm going to attempt to replace these O-rings. I have 2 O-rings that should be about the right size. They may not be as thick. I don't know if this is going to work. We'll find out. Probably not, but we'll see. I have one of these Harbor Freight little hook tool things, and we'll just try. If I end up destroying it, oh well. It's not the end of the world. I'd like to try to preserve these O-rings if possible, but I don't know if that's even going to be possible either. I sure don't want to come off. I'm probably going to end up breaking it. So, well, let's try this one maybe. I'm probably doing this wrong also, because I feel like I'm puncturing this, but there's just no other way to get in here. I have it moving a little bit. Oh, there. Almost. If I could just peel it. There. If I could just peel it out of there. Okay, there we go. Now we'll run that off and compare it to the one I have. One I have looks a little bit bigger. I don't know if that's going to work. I also don't know if I need to replace that one, because I think this one at the tip is the one that actually does the sealing, and this one prevents water from spraying back out and coming out here, and I don't think it had that problem. Let's see how this O-ring fits. Kind of loose. Kind of loose. I don't know. I do not know. But let me just see how the thing will go on, and then we'll try to worry about the other one. Whoa, that does not feel right at all. Something broke. Not good. Oh yeah, just tore that thing up to shreds. So we'll try to put the original one back. I gotta find the other piece of it. That didn't work. That's in there. There we go. So that's not going to work. Okay. This one looked like it was right, but now I'm wondering if it's not. So we're going to have to try real hard not to break it, because at least I can kind of have it still sort of work and just deal with it leaking, and then one day maybe I'll just get pissed off enough. There, it's back. Let's put the thing back on just to ensure. Yeah, that's going a lot better now. It doesn't operate smooth. It's completely weather beaten, as you see. I have had this for years and years and years. So there's that. Well, I guess we'll try this one. Almost. There. Just peel it out. There we go. No, I don't think there's a chance that this is actually going to fit there. This new one, yeah, I can fit it right over it, I think. Yeah, that one's too loose also. Well, that was a big fail. I don't have any other O-rings that are possibly any smaller than that. So, this was a wash. Nothing more I can do. Nothing more to do. If I had the right ones, and it doesn't pay to like go to a hardware store and try to get it. I have like a whole kit with a zillion different ones, and that doesn't do it. I don't know. I've never dealt with O-rings this small either. Could try spraying it with silicone. The seat in there is a little crusty, not too bad. Try to scrape that out a little bit maybe. Don't know if that did anything. It's just, you know, it's just a little piece of crap hose thing. Well, that's a real shame. I bet if I had one I could fix it, but like I said, it just doesn't pay. So now I guess you want to see if it still leaks. I don't want to do this. I got some of this WD-50 silicone spray. Figured maybe we'll just spray it down. Might help with the squeakies. I don't know. It's worth a shot, I guess. If nothing else, it won't squeak, but it'll still leak. I did, you know, the O-ring here at the end is definitely kind of flipped from where it was, so maybe. Oh, that's plenty there. Let me spray some in here too. That should be more than enough. Put this back together. Oh yeah. Well, definitely no squeaky. Just silicone-y. So that's great. That's gonna leak. It's gonna leak. Now that it's all silicone-y, I want to spray it with the yellow stuff, but my Baba doesn't work. Oh, spray bottle not working? Try this trick. Oh, look at that, it works! Wow! I'll spray it inside too. Clean it all out good. Now it's wet and slippery, so that worked even better. Now we'll go hook this up. So here's my hose reel, but that is still winterized, and I'm not ready just yet to put water in that. Not that it's going to freeze again, but you never know. So instead, I got one of these Chinese pocket hoses to the rescue. The interesting thing, it smells like old wood. You know that like old wood smell, like in a library? Like them old ancient encyclopedias from the 60s that you open? Why does it smell like, well, China? So I guess, yeah. So we'll go hook this up and make sure it leaks. If I did not show this thing filling with water and expanding, I'm sure there are garden hose twerps out there. I have the end of it. It comes with like a little inline shutoff, so we'll keep that off and fill it up. That just looks wrong. Alright, it's filled. Alrighty, got the hose nozzle. Can't tell if I'm in frame. I don't think so. Nope. Let me fix that. That's leaking already. That's Chinese right there. Oh, maybe we'll just do it here then. Can't see the screen. There, that's fine. We'll do it right here. Screw it on the plastic. I'm going to open the nozzle first because this will purge the air. That is down as far as it can possibly go, and it leaks. And there should be a washer in there. All right, well, we got water now. It's dripping from here. And I don't think it's coming from the threads. Yeah, so it still leaks. It's dripping more from here than it is there. So if anything, what I did, made it a little bit better. It operates so much nicer now. I gotta say, that is a lot nicer than it was. Oh, so butter smooth. Well, at least that works. Get that pressure out. And take this off. Well, that's fine. Now I'll go shut the water off, and doesn't that look like it's gonna break? It just looks like it's going to break. Why did they even make these? These hoses are not useful at all. Don't ever buy them. I didn't. China sent them to me. But during the winter, they're real nice because you just throw them in a ball and throw them back in the garage. And they shrink down to nothing compared to what it expanded to. So you just throw it over your shoulder and the water comes out, and that's nice and quick. So let me go shut the water. We'll let this out, and I'll let you watch it, go back. Yes, for the fire alarm twerps, that's a siren. Yeah, they go off all the time. I don't even hear them. You do? I don't, because I hear them all day. Now we'll let the water out and watch the pocket hose deflate. Yay! So, unfortunately, I was not able to fix it, and that was really just due to not having parts. If I had parts, probably could have fixed it. But I don't have the right size O-rings, which I thought I did. So that's going to do it. It'll just leak, and when one of those O-rings finally pops, and that's the end of it, then that's the end of the hose nozzle. I even keep this in the garage over the winter. So I guess the summer sun just beats it or something. I don't know. Anyway, it was an attempt, like the title says, so we gave it a shot. If you have one of these and you have the right O-rings, you probably can fix it, because for some reason hose nozzles and all that kind of stuff cost a lot of money now. The plastic ones are a few bucks, that's nothing, but to get, like, this could be like $12.99. $12.99 for this? It cost them $264 to make in China. You know? So, yeah, for the price of an O-ring, I'm not going to bother going to the store trying to find them, but I thought I had what I had in the kit would work, but it didn't. Anyway, it's better than it was, so not a complete repair, but at least better than it was. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and yeah, this will be around for some time to come. Take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. I just had a brain fart while editing this video. If the big O-ring was too big and that's where it appeared to leak, perhaps the smaller one that I had before will fit where the big one went. So let's open this up one more time, and I'm going to use my micrometer or digital caliper, whatever you want to call it today. That's fine. We'll turn it on and zero it and measure the size on the O-ring. 0.436 we'll call it. I still have the smaller O-ring right here. I don't think it'll work, but we'll give it a quick shot if I can get this O-ring off again, which, yeah, that's not going to be a problem. Okay, I think we got it. Almost, yeah. There we go. And we'll get in here with the little pick again. Stretch it out enough to go over that. There we go. Aha! That seems to be a nice fit. And now 0.427. 0.42, well, depending how much I squeeze it. 0.433. That's pretty damn close. Probably won't work. Here we go again. Alright, take two. Still leaking from China. I'll do it the same way. Nope, that's not going to work. That's just gushing. Oh well, that's not going to do it. Well, if I had the right parts, like I said, I could have fixed it.